sisters they like Regina Daniels. Na few, honest, I guess sister. I made them even watch this video. Hello there, my beautiful people. How na day? I hope na day fine. Yes, I'm back again with another video. Nwoko and Sowore and Regina Daniels buying car for her sister. Okay, first of all, I will say Regina Daniels, you actually know say the man that you are now you be the sugar banana of this nwoko, because it's paned. I don't know whether I would want to borrow and sense. But it can't be like saying that Regina can add the matured one on social media. Now, like, I don't know husband and wife who matured past, but now when you date the man and you be the man sugar banana, you start to talk to your husband. Make it not be like say half of your marriage the money go come disappear, because the man they grossly they abuse the power. Now the way I take see am, no be anybody will come challenge you, or anybody will disagree with you, or anybody where you get problem with, or anybody where you feel say you they go lock them up. Like, I don't get. So already drop right up of how they pick them up, and now because of nwoko, wetin dey happen? Wetin e dey give all these police and they make them they do all this thing wey dem dey do? The Nigeria no be for everybody again. I be like I no get. I just feel say nwoko dey bite more than he can chew, and at the end of the day, if it cause problem for am, because there are rich people on social media wey no dey talk, they just bench dey look. So you, when if you say you too get money, you go just dey do, you fit just get somebody angry and they will come for you hard. You go find yourself for the place where you no go fit comot. So Regina Daniels, talk to your husband now, okay? So even if na 6 years, na 10 years, na all your life, now you want enjoy this marriage, it go make you still enjoy am the way you take start, and that means with the money. Because the way nwoko they do, if you enter one kind better trouble, maybe now all your money when you get now, you go take carry yourself come out, and then where the money where you want they enjoy, they buy motor for your sister. So moving on, Regina Daniel buying motor for his sister. Most people say Destiny is too small. Now money now they catch Regina Daniels. Why I go buy a car for this kind of small girl? Actually, Destiny na her 18th year birthday. Now Destiny just do. Even though self say Destiny not look, she not look 18. Na her 18 years birthday. Now it just do. Not be 3 years, 3 or 4 years. Now even though self say Regina Daniels the higher age, e be like na 4 years that Regina Daniels say no, this is sister. If so, maybe na this her sister age self na Regina Daniels still marry nwoko, and she don dey drive machine before then. So Destiny no look small for driving car, or her age permit the driving car, because definitely na 18 years now she dey. I don't know whether na this side I take a look and say there is nothing wrong. Wetin go dey wrong for this Destiny na when Regina Daniels don't do all this sacrifice and she's not stingy with her wealth. Okay, Regina Daniels is not stingy when it comes to her family. She dey take care of her family. She don't sacrifice herself like this, marrying this kind of man to take care of the family. You are okay as person, young girl with which pikin you dey feed and wetin you dey take care of. Destiny now they talk Regina Daniels sister, you no get much problem, just take care of yourself. Regina Daniels dey take care of the house. E go come bad now when this girl will come say you want to marry again, go come go find another grandpa. And see, let's say the truth, okay? We know say Regina Daniels, most of us, we get problem with the marriage which Regina Daniels do, but when it comes to sisters they like Regina Daniels, na few, honest, I guess sister. I made them even watch this video. See, sisters like Regina Daniels, they very few. Say they go get the money and they are willing to spend for the family. They very, very few. So na better sister na Destiny get, that is at Regina Daniels. Na better sister. In fact, na better pikin, because even see they take care of him mama, they take care of all of them the way she fit. So she dey do well for that aspect. So congrats to person wey do birthday, which is Destiny. Congrats to her for her new car. I like the way Regina Daniels still present the car though. If they give her phone, she thinks say na phone they buy for her. She dey open the phone, card inside. So yes, I go soon for my next video. I'm gonna drop on a comment down below what you wanna think whether Destiny actually too small for the car. I'll soon have my next video. Now ciao.
They buy you Samsung, join your
Open it now.
a new Samsung S10. Come on, body, no put body for the Samsung S10. Zoom on. Yeah, mama. Yeah, mama. Yeah, mama. Just, yeah, mama. Oh, yeah. Star boy. Star boy. Star boy. Star boy. Star boy. Star boy shit. Star boy shit. Star boy shit. Give them. Start it. You dey dread them. Start and jare. Give am kiki. Give am kiki. Eh? Come on, but press on. Press on. I want to hear if the on the work. Press the on. Press the on. Press am. I know the hear am. Yeah, press on my right ear. My right.
Clean sheet. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. No fake shit. Okay. No quam. Okay.
Star boy shit. Star boy shit. Star boy shit. You won't cry. You won't cry. You know to cry.
Kala. Clean, no worry.
No, but she knows.
Coco.
My West. And see this way, I open boot. Who be this one? Now you get the car. But because this evening, no. Give you job. Hey. You are blessed. You get your mind. Okay.
Thank you, Uncle Solo. Come out with a hair. You can just like. Everyone is having fun. For me, I'm so exhausted.
Who exhausted you? Like cheap, exotic, exhausted. See now, my gangster, my gangster. Alaye Jojo. No, nobody bunu. Eh? Oh yeah, anybody with blue face now.
Ogbono very be yamana to jinna kan.
What are you singing?
Oh, so fine girl.
You should know before them to come you program the key.
It's like
Guys, don't believe I'm just coming back from location. Like 25 minutes after 1. I'm so tired. Like. Okay, so I just found out that the protest that was going on earlier was against the COVID rules regulations imposed on them. Like it means that they don't want to be vaccinated, because over here before you You've been recharged, yeah? Okay, you want magic? Show me. What do you want? Bye-bye, see you. What do you want? Bye-bye, see you. You want rice? Come. Rice, samosa. Sometimes I think this is written in English, but actually it's not. Okay, basmati rice. Juice? You want juice? What juice? Apple or orange?
I'm a veggie.
What?
I'm an